Christmas and a quarrel? Seek out a forgotten friend, dismiss suspicion, and replace it with trust. Write a love letter, share some treasure, give a soft answer, keep a promise, find the time, forget a grudges, forgive an enemy, listen, apologize. If you were wrong, try to understand. Examine your demands on others. Think first of someone else. Be kind. Be gentle. Appreciate. Laugh a little. Laugh a little more. Express your gratitude. Gladden the heart of a child. Welcome a stranger. Take pleasure in the beauty and the wonder of earth. Speak your love. Speak it again. Speak it yet once again. Merry Christmas.